Hello everyone, welcome to Embedded Challenge, in which I will be making electronic projects till I get hired as an embedded systems engineer. If you want to watch my journey, subscribe this channel. Now is the time to make the first step towards the stars. So, let's create the first project. It will be an electronic equivalent of the Hello World. I am going to force the poor diode to blink on my command. First of all, I will need, of course, the diode. Here is our victim. Now we need Arduino Uno. Hola niño! Now is the time for the breadboard. So we have almost everything, but we don't want to kill this diode. So we need to decrease the current running through the diode. The highest safe current for the diode is around 20 milliamps. Using the Ohm principle and knowing that voltage on the Arduino pin will be equal to 5 volts, I can easily calculate the value of needed resistance. We need 250 ohms. Let's connect all the elements together. The ground pin to the minus line, the pin number 7, which will control our diode, to the plus line. The resistor goes between the diode and the power line. And we have to remember that the longer leg of the diode, named anode, has to be connected to the plus line of the breadboard, and second one to the minus line. Now it's time for some coding. Let's define the constant named diode as 7. It will make our code easier to read. Now we need to set the pin mode by calling the function pin mode. It needs two parameters. The first one is the number of the pin. The second one is the selected mode. Today we want pin number 7 to act as output pin. Now we can go to the loop. Here in the loop we have to switch on and off the diode. For this we need to call the function digital write. It also has two parameters: the number of pin and the needed state of the pin. For the output pin, we need to choose between two states, high and low. High state means that the voltage between pin and ground will be equal to 5 volts, while the low state means that the pin is connected to the ground. To stop our program for the chosen time, to see the blinks, not the constant light, we need to use function delay. It has only one parameter, the number of milliseconds of a desired delay. Okay, our code seems to be complete. Now it's time for a test. So fasten your seatbelts and wish me luck. Okay, now our diode is blinking with the delay of 1 second, so it seems to be victory. But now we have to test our circuit in a real world. I have built our circuit on my desk, but because of lack of 250 ohms resistors, I used two 460 ohms in parallel connection to get approximately 230 ohms, which is close enough. And as you can see, everything works properly. I think it's all for today. Thank you for being with me, and see you in the next video.